Hello everyone, Miss Fisher here. Sorry I couldn't be with you today. Just some quick announcements. You should have already turned in your independent reading assignment number 3 into the bin by the door. And you should also have out on your desk your rough draft. You should have at least 2 paragraphs in your rough draft that you will be switching with a partner today. I'm going to show you the peer review worksheet. So here you're going to put the name of the author, you're going to put the name of the reviewer, and then you're going to kind of go through these things. The first one is the introduction. You're going to look at your partner's introduction and see, does it introduce the paper's topic, does it introduce the writer's approach or general argument, and is the first sentence attention-getting and relevant to the topic? Make some suggestions. If their first sentence is boring, say it in a nice way. Say, hey, you know, I think that your first sentence could use a little bit more pizzazz. Remember, you guys are magazine authors, and you really want someone to read your articles. You want something to be attention-grabbing. Number 2 is the thesis statement highlighted in yellow, and suggest if possible way to improve the introduction or thesis statement. If it's not highlighted in yellow, that's okay, remind them, but also say, hey, I think your thesis statement's a little confusing, or yes, it's definitely right on target, it's very clear, I understand what you are arguing in your paper. Can you identify the organization of the paper from the main idea of each paragraph, and what are the main concepts explored in your paper? Does each paragraph make a relevant point? What are the main ideas and arguments? Take a look at least that first introduction paragraph. Does it seem organized? Are they making their points in the right order? In your opinion? Then you're going to look for grammar, punctuation, spelling, or word usage problems. Is the tone of the essay formal? Did you find any awkward sentences? Did they have any abbreviations or anything that you need to fix? All that jazz. Number 5, are there at least 3 transitional devices used and highlighted in blue? If they're not, please remind them to highlight them, and also suggest where a transitional device should be used to connect ideas in their essays, or recommend a change in one of their transitional devices. Some people have been putting transitional words like, they've been highlighting words like and, but, or, yet. Those are not the transitional devices that I'm looking for. I am looking for phrases. In the beginning, on the one hand, in conclusion. Another example is things like that. So make sure that you're helping people with these transitions, okay? Because they might have been confused. And then number 6, what are the paper's greatest strengths? And explain, okay? Another thing, actually, I'm going to show you are some due dates. So please know that tomorrow is test review, October 6th. We're going to be reviewing. I'm also going to be giving back your 5-week report grades. We're going to go over things that can and cannot be turned in for a grade because several of you are still missing some assignments that need to be turned in. Then this Wednesday is the open notes, or Thursday, depending on what class you have. I think it's 7th set you're going to have Wednesday, 6th set it's Thursday. Open notes Julius Caesar test and rough draft number 2 is also due. So after you've gotten your feedback from your peer, you're going to take it home, you're going to fix it for either Wednesday or Thursday whenever we have class between those 2 days. So that second rough draft is due. That should be all 5 paragraphs, and that's coming to me. And then Tuesday, October 13th, your final draft of your entire essay will be due, and your independent reading assignment test will be taking place on Tuesday, that October 13th. Okay, so I think that is all that you need from me. I just wanted to make sure that you got all the information that you needed today, and I will see you tomorrow for test review for Julius Caesar, as well as some kind of handy back papers and assignments and things like that tomorrow. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Thanks, guys.